Please, can you assist us with the procedure in making admission bed?
Admission bed?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try.
Admission bed is a special bed used for admitting patients. Bath blankets and bed accessories are some of the special requirements needed. One of the purposes of making an admission bed is that it facilitates bathing of patients in bed. Place bottom sheets evenly on the bed. Tuck the sheets evenly under the mattress at the top and bottom using envelope corners. Place drawer Macintosh across the bed and cover with drawer sheet. Now place long Macintosh on the bed. Use one bath blanket or sheet over and tuck in all around. Place hot water bottles if necessary. Now place second bath blanket over the bed. Place top sheet evenly on the bed with the wrong side uppermost. Place counterplane loosely over the top sheet. Now fold the bed clothes one after the other at the top and also at the bottom. Remember, nursing is art, so always use your discretion when making a bed. Now let your assistant tuck in the bed clothes on the other side. Fold the bed clothes using the 3-part folding technique. 1, 2, 3. Place the pillow on a chair next to the patient. Now raise the bed rails at the other side. The drip stand, suction machine, and oxygen cylinder should be available at the bedside. A medication tray containing items such as IV infusions, medications, cannulas, free needles should be available. The second tray, which is the vital signs tray, should also be available, containing items such as a digital BP machine, the thermometer, and the rest. Admission bed.